I'm Luciana, and today we're going to make Terra at Home no-bake cheesecake. Lemon! Terra at Home cheesecake comes in 3 yummy flavors: caramel, lime, and lemon. Lemon! The first step is to soften 8 ounces of cream cheese. Put the cream cheese in the microwave for 40 seconds. Oh, it's perfect! Now I'm going to use my Terra at Home shears to open the packet of cheesecake. Just squeeze the handles to open it. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to dump it in with my cream cheese. I like to use a fork to mix it all together. It's easy to push it down like this. Mush it all around. Look, it's turning yellow. I can use my Terra at Home spatula to take it off the fork. Life is short. Lick the bowl. It smells so good. I bet my mom will love this. I'm going to put it in a bigger bowl because I want to serve it like that. Make sure to get it off the edges. I can't wait to have this with my mom. I'm going to clean up a little. Right in the dishwasher. Now fold in 2 cups of Cool Whip. Pretty cool, right? Use your Terra spatula. We're getting close. It's almost done. You want to go slow and steady. It's like a big fluffy yellow and white cloud. 1 packet fills 4 Rammies, so there's enough for everyone in my family. Alright, let me make one for everybody. 1. Another one. I worked hard today, so I'm going to put the rest in my bowl. All done. Nobody's looking. I'm going to top each one off with a little bit of Cool Whip. Ooh, I'm going to set the table. Hey everybody, I made something yummy. Come down.
I wonder what she made. What do you think?
I don't know.
Ooh, let's see. What is it?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. What flavor did you make?
I made lemon.
Ooh, lemon. Why don't you grab a bowl? Is there some for Giraffe?
Yes, there is.
All right, let's see. All right, have a seat. Wow, let's check this out.
That is so yummy.
What do you think?
It's good.
It's good. Good job.
Thank you.
Can you cook every day for us?
Yeah.
I like the sound of that. What do you think?
Ah.